guys, I'm happy to announce to you that everywhere God is out now. Everywhere God is out now. Go and check it out in my YouTube channel, Minister Chinasa Ezo. Check it out in my Facebook. Check it out in Audio Mark and Revive Nation. Just like Minister Chinasa Ezo, everywhere God is out now. The song is going to bless you. It's going to bless your life, and you will have so many things to thank God for what He has done and for who He is in your life. Thank you. I love you. Mwah. Everywhere God is out now. Everywhere God is out. Go and listen and be blessed.
Everywhere God. On the land, on the breeze, with the best in the sea. I'll see on the land, I'll see on the breeze, I'll see the best. I'll see
Everywhere God
in the
is out
seas,
now.
I'll see